Hello students, I welcome you all to this video on reasoning and legal reasoning. We'll be looking at a few questions of reasoning part and then we'll go and look at a few questions on legal reasoning part in this video. Let us directly jump into the questions. Which of the following pairs of words is related in the same way as fish is related to school? Gaggle, geese, camel, chain, lion, pride, none of these. Now, at the first look, at the outset, it looks like there is no connection between fish and school, right? But when you dig deeper, when you try to reason with the question, you'll find out that fish, individually though it is called a fish, in a group of fish is called as a school, right? So now you will understand that a group of lion is called as pride. So the answer for this question is lion, pride. Lion and pride is same way. It is related in the same way as fish and school. Looking at the photograph of a person, Ajay said, he is the brother of the father of the daughter of my wife. How is the person in the photograph related to Ajay? Mind-boggling question, right? Please understand, if you draw a particular picture, if you draw a particular family tree, it will be very easy for you to understand. Let us first take Ajay, okay? And whenever you are referring to a male, let us put it in a box, okay? Ajay. Now, he is the brother of the father of the daughter of my wife. So I've got one more here. My wife means Ajay's wife, correct? So whenever we are referring to someone who is a female, let us put a circle. Now, we have understood that Ajay has a wife. Daughter of my wife, that means wife has a daughter. If wife has a daughter, obviously, she will be Ajay's daughter also, yes or no? So, she'll be Ajay's daughter also because she is her wife, right? She is Ajay's wife after all. Now, he is the brother of the father of the daughter of my wife. So, Ajay is referring to someone who is his brother. Okay. So, now let us read this once again. He is the brother of the father of the daughter of my wife. So, wife has a daughter. Obviously, she is also Ajay's daughter. So the man who is referring to in the photograph is Ajay's brother. Okay. So I hope you understood this. He is the brother of the father of the daughter of my wife. Let's go to the next one. A simple question on your way. In a certain code language, brave is written as CRBVF. How is actor written in that code language? So let us write this. Brave, B-R-A-V-E. In fact, you need not write this also. If you look at the question, you'll be able to answer the solution directly, but still. So C-R-B-V-F. What does this say? First letter, you are increasing it by one more. The next letter, second letter, you are writing as it is. Once again, you are jumping to the next letter. You are writing the same letter once again. And here, once again, you are jumping to the next letter, right? So, see here, B becomes C. So, A should become B, right? R will remain as it is. So, C will remain as it is. There is no other option where B and C are there together. So, the answer is option is B, but if you want to check, the next letter A becomes B. That means T should become U, obviously. V remains as it is. So O should remain as it is. Same. E becomes F. R will become yes. So this is the correct answer. Now, this is a question on direction. Very important. Before solving this question, let me share a simple trick with you. See here, in many cases, they'll give you right, left, and all. That is why it will become a little difficult for you if you use your hands to find out right, left. So the best way to do is draw a diagram. Whenever you come across a question where you are required to find out solution for direction problem, this will help you a lot. Okay. So 4 directions: north, east, south, west. And then there are 4 more directions in between, right? So let us not name here, not required. So this is north, this is northeast, this is east. So this is southeast, south, southwest, west, and then northwest, correct? So now the reason I have drawn this is for this reason. See here, this side will be right side. So this will be left side. This side will be right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, and then left. See, this is where you can cross check. If on the north side, you have right side on this side, on the opposite side, obviously it should be left, correct? Just like that, if left is on this side, it should be opposite on the south. So we have got the correct map on our screen. Now let us understand this question. Jitesh walked 4 kilometers towards north, and then he turned towards east and walked 20 kilometers. After this, he turned left and walked 6 kilometers. Finally, he turned right and walked 4 kilometers. What is the shortest distance between the starting point and ending point? ನಾನು ಒಂಚೂರು pause ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡಿ. So let us now find out the solution. Before that, we will have to draw a diagram. Let us take a certain point here. Let us say this is the point from which he started. What did he do? He first walked towards north. North is upwards. So he walked 4 kilometers upwards. From this point, he turned towards east and walked 20 kilometers. So east, we all know, is this side. So he walked 20 kilometers till here. Then he turned left. See, this is where it becomes confusing if you use the hand movements. But here, see how clear it is. From east, he is turning leftwards. So he's turning leftwards means he's going to the north. 6 kilometers, right? Taking a representative picture so that you understand. And then finally, he turned right and walked 4 kilometers. So on the north side, right means he should walk towards east. Okay. So again, he has walked for 4 kilometers. Now he is at this point. He started here, he is at this point. We have to find out the shortest distance. And to find out shortest distance, we all know we have to find out the solution by taking the Pythagorean theorem, right? So this is the shortest distance for him, correct? So see here, I am putting representative marks so that you understand how to do this in a much better way. Yes. So let us first take down. First, he walked for 4 kilometers. So this is 4 kilometers. Then he walked for 20 kilometers. So this is 20 kilometers. Then he turned left and walked 6 kilometers. So this is a stretch of 6 kilometers. And then he turned right and walked for 4 kilometers. So now, if you see, this is 20 plus 4, right? 20 kilometers plus 4 kilometers. That is 24 kilometers. And this is very important. We want to find out this. So we want to know the other two sides. We have got one side, which is 24 kilometers. This is 4 kilometers already. From this point, once again, he has gone up 6 kilometers. So this representative picture that I have drawn is of 6 kilometers long. So we all know the formula, Pythagorean theorem. A square plus B square is equal to C square. So a square here is 10 square plus b square is 24 square, 20 plus 4. Just like you have taken 4 plus 6, here you have to take 20 plus 4. So 24 square is equal to c square. So c square is equal to, this is 576 and then 100, 676. We want c, we don't want square. So square root of 676 is 26. So the answer for this question is 26 kilometer. As simple as that, right? So whenever you come across a problem like this, draw a imaginary triangle. Two sides, if you know the distance, the value of two sides are known. The third side value can be easily known. The shortest distance between starting point and ending point will be 26 kilometers. Going forward to the next question, blueberries cost more than strawberries. Blueberries cost less than raspberries. Raspberries cost more than strawberries and blueberries. If the first two statements are true, the third statement is. So when you read it like this, it may not help you answer the question in the right way. So take the first sentence and then try to draw mental picture. Blueberries cost more than strawberries. So that means the value for blueberries is more than strawberries. Am I right? Is this a right interpretation? Correct. Blueberries cost less than raspberries. If we invert this, that means raspberries are costlier than blueberries. Correct? So is this a right interpretation now? Yes. Now, if you have this on your pen and paper, obviously you'll be able to answer the question very easily. Raspberries cost more than strawberries and blueberries. Is it true? Is raspberry more valuable than strawberry and blueberries? Yes. So if first two statements are true, the third statement is also true. A is the answer for this question. Now, let us go to the legal part. Very important in today's world. You have to be updated with regards to whatever changes are happening in the legal aspects of this country, right? So to bring a representative question in front of you, they'll ask you this. What are the articles that are related to Jammu and Kashmir Constitution? You all may have heard of this. You all should know this, right? So is it Article 369 and Article 36A? Obviously not. Is it Article 370 and 35B? No. Once again, that is not the right answer. The right answer here is Article 370 and 35A. Article 370 and 35A. These two articles gave special rights to Jammu and Kashmir Constitution, now which has been withdrawn on 5th of August 2019. From 5th of August 2019, these two articles are not there, right? So next, the full form of CAA is Citizenship Amendment Act, Comprehensive Area Assessment, Citizenship Accommodation Act, or Constitution Amendment Act. Once again, the answer is very clear here. It is Citizenship Amendment Act. Thank you so much, students, for listening to me. Let us meet in the next video. Thank you.